Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete comments on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to delete comments. Next, go to your profile by clicking at the bottom right corner of your screen. Locate the post in which you want to delete a comment. Scroll through your feed to find the specific post. Tap on the post to open it, and then scroll down at the comment section. You may expand the comment section by clicking at View All Comments at the bottom of your post. To delete the comment, simply swipe the comment to the left to reveal the delete option. Tap on the trash can icon or the delete option that appears. A confirmation dialog will appear. If you want to undo, just click the undo. And that's it. You now know how to delete comments on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!